Ever wonder why we say, glad to see the back of someone? It's a quirky English idiom with an interesting backstory. Let's dive into its meaning, origin, and usage. The phrase means to be happy someone is leaving, especially if they've been troublesome. It's a polite way of expressing relief at someone's departure. Where did this odd expression come from? Its roots can be traced back to the 19th century in England, capturing the sentiment perfectly. Imagine a person walking away. You see their back as they leave. That's the visual imagery this idiom conjures up. Now let's look at some everyday examples to understand how to use it effectively in conversation. Example 1. After dealing with his complaints all day, I was glad to see the back of him. Example 2. The noisy neighbors finally moved out. We were all glad to see the back of them. Example 3. Her constant nagging was unbearable. I was glad to see the back of her. Example 4. The difficult project is finally over. We're glad to see the back of it. Example 5. After he left the team, everyone was glad to see the back of him. In summary, the idiom is a polite but firm way to express relief at someone's departure. It reflects the universal feeling of wanting peace after enduring difficulty. So next time you encounter a troublesome situation, remember this idiom. It perfectly captures that feeling of sweet relief. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more language tips and tricks. See you in the next video.